So in this Instagram tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add it to your Instagram highlights here on Instagram. So once you have Instagram open up and you want to add to your highlights, it's pretty simple. Go to whatever story that you want. So for this example, I have the story up from a previous video right here. I've shown you guys how to post on a story. So that's my story. So what you can do is go to the story right here in the top left, then go to the bottom right and press on more. Then where it says highlights right below delete and above save, I want you to press on highlight. Now, if you want to rename your highlight, I can say first IG story, and I'll just go ahead and press on add. And just like that, I have now added to my highlights. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on done and just go back to my profile. So go to the bottom right and press on your profile. And as you can tell right below edit profile, it actually shows my highlights. So if I press on first IG story, it shows my first IG story that I added 2 minutes ago. So that is how you guys can add to your highlights on Instagram, or add a story to your highlights on Instagram. I hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching.